All right, guys, today we are going to be, oh my God, dude. All right, we got it. Yes, we got a hood. We're replacing the hood.
First, you just kind of rip it off like that.
Yeah, apparently you can just rip these off. I don't know. Tony kind of figured that out.
Yeah, just everything rips off.
This leads, though. It comes out here. So we'll get back to you in a second. We're going to figure out how this works. We're putting
now you just kind of pull that out.
Yeah.
Squeeze the plug. And it slides out.
So those are the windshield washers.
And now you just kind of pull it all through.
Oh, now it's smooth. Now we got 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 on the other side, and this thing should come off smooth, and then we can throw it away somewhere. I don't know if anybody wants a bent hood. All right, well, we don't have a tripod, so we'll get back to you after we're done taking this off. I gotta hold the hood while he loosens. But it's just a 13mm bolt. All right, update, new hood is on. So we've proven that it can be done with 2 people. I highly recommend 3 people doing this. I got really close to touching my windshield with this thing. Now we gotta re-lead. Windshield washer lines through here and out here. Okay, so we don't need any tools to put this in. You kind of just slide it in, have somebody fish out the other side for you. Got them all out? There we go. Nice. Now we'll just leave the rest of this in there. And then put the grommets back on whenever we get the chance. All right. Got these back on. Grommets all in.
Nozzle.
Oh, the actual nozzle. Have you tried doing it the other way? Oh, okay. That's good enough.
Put the nozzle in. Another nozzle. Is it an all the way?
Yeah.
And same story here.
Now we just gotta adjust the hood. About 20 minutes of micro adjustments. This is the best we're gonna get it to.
It's kind of garbage stuff.
I mean, yeah, I guess it could go a little bit more back, but at least like the gaps are not too crazy. I can definitely live with this as long as the hood doesn't fly up and hit my windshield like the last one. Tony, you want to tell him? You want to be sure to like and subscribe, bro. All right, well, be sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. If you have any comments, let us know.